good. Amazing.
I got a riddle. What's little and talks big? Women to those and anybody feeling in the middle. That'll do anything to throw dirt on my name if it means walking the whole Mediterranean. Visiting Albanian, Armenian, Iranian, Tasmanian, no. Instead framing it, oh sorry, yo, so sorry, whoa. But that was a long time ago when I was just so slow, rapping in Joe Blow's basement.
That's
I apologize for what you're on, so either accept it or you don't. And let's move on and find something that I grow. You get the bone, keep licking these nuts. You industry marks, keep walking around, sniffing each other's parts, or should I say asses? What would be the more politically correct term to use for the masses?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Murder's mind state. Can't keep my nine straight. Sipping on this Hennessy. Waiting for the time to break. Show up in motherfuckers bow down. Recognize. West side death row. Outlaw violence. Catch Machiavelli while he's sleeping. My lady 14 murdering niggas while he's creeping. Duck you ass out. Drink till you pass out. Ain't scared to die. Drunk driving in my glass house. Untouchable mob of pistol packers. Well-known fellas labeled for drugs. Selling merciless jackets. Forever buzz roll with thugs and dogs. Killers to letting off rounds. Been escaping the fog. Who wanna see me solo? Niggas is under me. And bitches come to me. They heard the stories, nigga. Now they wanna really see. Going first, my motto is fully guaranteed. Niggas is playing hey. Label my enemies, I'm dumping.
This shit right here, that's where everybody is playing. They gonna fucking shit.
Amazing.
Everybody in your motherfucking neighborhood, damn. Shit. Let's go.
Pass.
Yeah. Wasn't that easy? Amazing. I'm gonna get you later if you don't pass the ball. Yeah. I'm gonna get you later if you don't pass the ball.
That's too easy.
I got a riddle. What's little and talks big? Women to norms and anybody feeling in the middle. That'll do anything to throw dirt on my name if it means walking the whole Mediterranean. Visiting Albanian, Armenian, Iranian, Tasmanian, no. Instead framing it, oh sorry, yo, so sorry, whoa. But that was a long time ago when I was just so slow, rapping in Joe Blow's basement. I apologize for what you're on, so either accept it or you don't. And let's move on and find something that I grow. You get the bone, keep licking these nuts. You industry marks, keep walking around, sniffing each other's parts, or should I say asses? What would be the more politically correct term to use for the masses?
Murder's mind state. Can't keep my nine straight. Sipping on this Hennessy. Waiting for the time to break. Show up in motherfuckers bow down. Recognize. West side death row. Outlaw violence. Catch Machiavelli while he's sleeping. My lady 14 murdering niggas while he creeping. Duck you ass out. Drink till you pass out. Ain't scared to die. Drunk driving in my glass house. Untouchable mob of pistol packers. Well-known fellas labeled for drugs. Selling merciless jackets. Forever buzz roll with thugs and dogs. Killers to letting off rounds. Been escaping the fog. Who wanna see me solo? Niggas is under me. And bitches come to me. They heard the stories, nigga. Now they wanna really see. Going first, my motto is fully guaranteed. Niggas is player haters. Label my enemies, I'm dumping.